Understanding, Get Your House in Order, a guide to English phrases. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, get your house in order. This phrase is a great example of English idioms that are both interesting and useful in everyday conversations. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery behind this phrase. Before understanding the idiomatic meaning, let's start with the literal interpretation. The words house and order are common in English. A house refers to a dwelling where people live, and order means a state where everything is arranged systematically or properly. Now, let's explore the idiomatic meaning of get your house in order. In English, this phrase is used metaphorically to suggest that someone should organize their affairs or resolve their personal problems. It implies that there might be some aspects of one's life or work that are disorganized or problematic, which need attention and rectification. Understanding how to use the phrase in different contexts is crucial. Here are some examples. 1. At work, if a company is struggling, a manager might say, "We need to get our house in order before we can think about expansion." 2. Personal life, after facing some health issues, someone might say, "I need to get my house in order and start taking better care of myself." 3. Public speaking. A politician might use it to suggest reforms, saying, "It's time we get our house in order to restore public confidence." The phrase can be slightly altered without losing its meaning. For example, putting one's house in order, setting one's house in order. These variations are used interchangeably and carry the same connotation as the original phrase. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, get your house in order. Remember, English is full of such idiomatic expressions that can add color to your language skills. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this phrase in your conversations. Until next time, happy learning!